Do you have a dry cough? It hurts. What is a dry cough? It is a type of cough where a person coughs without phlegm or mucus coming out. It usually occurs after a sore throat, when your throat is itchy, irritated, and painful. It can make you feel drained or weak because no matter how much you cough, nothing comes out and it is persistent. Dry coughs can also cause shortness of breath and difficulty in breathing. Chest pain can also be experienced by those with a dry cough, since coughing is strenuous and puts a lot of pressure on the upper respiratory system. Essential oils are great because they soothe the dry and inflamed throat, promoting easy breathing and reducing inflammation. What are some dry cough remedies ideas? The top 5 essential oils for a dry cough include eucalyptus, peppermint, oregano, tea tree oil, and clove. Ways to use the essential oils are facial steaming, gargling, making a vapor rub, and shower melts. Take oregano in a capsule. Oregano is an antibacterial oil to help with colds, coughs, sore throat, tonsillitis, and other respiratory illnesses. Hope this has been helpful in some way. Have a great day and take care. Bye for now.